Hello, my people on the internet. It's me, your boy. I'm back again with a rant. Okay, because that's me these days. 2026 is not kind at all. मतलब पता नहीं. It's साल का start ही एकदम बहुत weird और एकदम explosive तरीके से हो रहा है. But uh, one of my qualms with everything else going on these days is that god damn have we all basically बोलते ना खुद की रियलिटी एक्सेप्ट कर ली है हम लोगों ने विदाउट एनी रीजन टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट which does not sit right by me. So my birthday was on both Jan 2000, so I'm technically a Gen Z, or but because the way I was brought up, I had basically both of millennial or Gen Z ke traits. Okay, so I have done like more than 8 or 9 jobs. I've worked in retail. I've worked in a tuition classes as a tuition teacher when I was in 10th grade in part time basically. Uh, I worked in a shop again. I worked as a video editor for a couple of months, and I have also volunteered in the COVID war room as a, a basically, we used to assist patients and uh, hospitals. Basically, our job was to get patients in the hospitals. Then I worked as a project coordinator and as a developer, and then a project coordinator. Then I'm a project manager now, associate project manager now. So, quote unquote, I've seen a lot of world. Okay, at this point, मतलब देख के कंटाल आ गया है, इतना देख लिया है मैंने दुनिया कि there's a distinct difference in class of people where you come from. Okay, if you're high class, technically upper middle class बोल सकते हैं. High class तो भाई दुनिया के बाहर है currently हमारे लिए. Lamborghinis and everything, we are not gonna afford that. But the upper middle class और जो normal मेरे जैसे लोग हैं, इसमें बहुत ज़मीन आसमान का difference है. I remember the struggle we used to go through. I used to go through going through a train, and touch wood, right now my financial aspects are good enough that I have my own vehicles and I can travel with that, uh, which I barely do. But yeah, the thing is कि the current society ka people na, they're very content with the life to live, which I do not find क्या बोलते हैं good at all. Like why? अगर तुम लोग स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो ना, तो यू नीड टू चेंज योर वर्ल्ड राइट नाउ एज सून एज पॉसिबल, बिकॉज अदर देन दैट योर वर्ल्ड विल नॉट चेंज. राइट, अगर तुम लोग एक ही जॉब पे बेसिकली अटके हुए हो, यू विल नॉट प्रोग्रेस इन लाइफ नो मैटर हाउ मच यू आर लर्निंग, because the entry level jobs, most of them, you are gonna get अच्छे से railed over. Okay, and they aren't even gonna pay you for it. Right. 20-25 हज़ार के जॉब्स में तुम लोग कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो ब्रो. ये क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं, 70-80 के जॉब में तुम लोग कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो आज की दुनिया में. आर पेरेंट्स, ओके, वो लोग लिटरली बोलते हैं ना, इतने कम पैसे में इतने घर वगैरह बना लिए थे. वी हैड अ 1 BH 2 BHK हाउस. ओके, which we bought for like 7 lakhs, around 100 and 1200 square feet or something. Okay, 7 lakhs. ज़्यादा टाइम पहले भी नहीं. Right now it would have been like what, 15, maybe 16 years ago. 7 lakh. Currently that house is over 1.3 crores. Okay, a old ass house is like 1.3 crores. You go And remember this, huh? The number 2 BHK, 1200 square feet. Right now, in a modern building, okay, लंबी सी बिल्डिंग है, बहुत चक बोलते हैं ना, दूर से बहुत सुंदर दिख रही है. The moment you step out inside, you'll see a grand lobby or everything. But the moment you step inside the house, it's a 350 square feet का छोटा सा रूम. 1.5 करोड़ के लिए, 2 करोड़ के लिए वहाँ से शुरुआत हो रहा है. Like, at what time that we just start to accept कि हाँ ये ही reality है. तुम लोग, हाँ वो होगा उस बिल्डिंग में, क्या बोलते हैं, एक स्विमिंग पूल होगा, देर विल बी अ टेनिस कोर्ट, देर विल बी अ जॉगिंग ट्रैक. हाल में कितने दिन एक्सरसाइज करते हो तुम लोग? लाइक वाई डज द स्विमिंग पूल in your building justify you having a small house? We Indians live a very large life, okay, compared to foreigners, मतलब बाहर के देश वाले. We have massive families, we need big houses. But somewhere along the line now we have just accepted कि हाँ यही है, which does not sit right by me at all. Okay, I am that person ना जो सोचता है ना कि बोलते हैं ना, चादर छोटी हो तो अपने पैर नहीं सिकुड़ाने चाहिए. ओके, और वॉट एवर दैट what do you call it, the saying is, I believe that you change the chadar. I believe that you know what your बोलते हैं ना capabilities are, and we have just basically by the society or the people or the, to be very honest, the billionaires and the very rich class of the society, we have, उनके पास बड़े बड़े घर है, उनके पास मल्टीपल कार्स है, while the normal person in this world, okay, जो current world में है, they will not even achieve like 1% of that. Not even 1% of that. I am very very anti-capitalistic in that way. Capitalism is good, okay, मतलब it gives individual authority over your lives, which is very great than the other socialistic behavior. But the thing is, there needs to be a balance. There needs to be capitalism as well, there needs to be socialism as well. But the current society में हम लोग सब कुछ, सब चीज़ों को इतना black and white में देखते हैं ना कि this is black, this is white, because this is black, this must be bad, and because this is white, this must be good. But that's not how the world works. It's very gray, very very gray, everything is right. Couple of days ago, okay, now Zoran Mamdani, he won the New York mayoral seat. Like कितने सारे लोग बोल रहे थे कि he is a socialist and he's a bad guy, he's gonna bring Sharia law because he's a Muslim. Okay, just because he's a Muslim. And the bro is like, you can't mix extreme Islamism with socialism. Because he's like, Sharia law mein, if you don't know, you need to wear burqa and God knows many things. Okay, but he's a socialist as well, no? So he'll be using the pronouns and everything for the same girls that are wearing the burqas and everything. Like, bro, does it make sense? Not really. A person can be a thing A and a thing B at the same time. You can be progressive and be Muslim. Okay, it's not a bad thing. We, मतलब इस दुनिया में कोई ऐसा लेबल में नहीं बैठता. Like even Donald Trump, okay, bro is a proper menace. He he is like a thing to watch at this point. He says that he'll do one thing and he does the complete opposite thing. And for his people, that might be good. For maybe the others, it might not be good. We like us Indians, we were going so ham ki Donald Trump aayega, he's our friend, he'll do everything. But we aren't getting any visas. इतना मतलब, look at the racism that is going on with Indians right now. भाई इंडियंस को हमारे खुद के घर, मतलब इंडिया में जगह नहीं है करेंटली, बाहर भी कोई जगह नहीं है. इंडियंस को जगह किधर है? छोटे छोटे बोलते हैं ना, 350 स्क्वायर फीट के अपार्टमेंट्स में, वो भी आधे से ज़्यादा लोग रेंट कर रहे हैं। तो वही है, वी नीड टू ब्रिंग change in and change in some so certain way na that majority of the people benefits of it. Okay, not just the billionaires or the upper middle class जिन्होंने हमें बेसिकली बता के रखा हुआ है कि तुम छोटी ज़िंदगी ही जीने वाले हो, छोटी ज़िंदगी में ही मरने वाले हो. Like where even in Mumbai at this point, okay, you see अगर मतलब there is so much space. Like there is actually so much space. Like Mumbai is not struggling with greenery or lack of space. Even the buildings that are getting built are so massive. Why are the rooms so small? Why are the flats so expensive? Why? Because you have so much space. Let मतलब जो इतने सारे चॉल्स हैं, हाँ, तोड़ो उनको, बनाओ घर, बेक अ बिगर हाउस, गो ऊपर, थोड़ा सा स्प्रेड आउट करके हो जाएगी सबको जगह भाई. हम लोग स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, पर हम लोग इतना भी स्ट्रगल नहीं कर रहे. लाइक वाई आर पीपल हैविंग टू गो टू जॉब्स 40-50 मिनट्स अवे फ्रॉम देयर हाउस. भाई लोग तो 2-2 घंटे ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करते हैं फ्रॉम वन साइड ऑफ मुंबई टू अदर साइड ऑफ मुंबई. वाई? बिकॉज वहाँ पे जॉब्स हैं, यहाँ पे जॉब्स नहीं हैं. it's it's actually not fair how the current world has been constructed around us. Everything is expensive, everything is bolte hain na, a little too out of reach, and the point you get in life that you can reach it, boom, it's taken farther away. And I don't think that's fair. We need to bring a little change in life. We need to bring in something that'll basically work for us. Is it gonna take time? A very long time, absolutely. Okay, but remember, okay, if people tell you to struggle, if people tell you कि नहीं ऐसा ही होता है, तो tell them कि ऐसा नहीं होता है. Okay, हम लोग भी मुंबई को बोलते हैं ना यूरोपियन देशों जैसे बना सकते हैं. Okay, we just need to get people accountable. Yeah, if your boss tells you that you need to basically work like 12 hours a day into day, like for 5 days a week, you need to demand कि भाई labor laws है, you need to pay us the overtime. You are not gonna give, मतलब ना खुद की जान तुम लोग 20,000 के लिए खर्च मत करो. It's not worth it. Have a work-life balance. Live for yourself. Okay, that is one thing I like very much about capitalism as well. That people will live for themselves, but you need to remember that there's a social responsibility as well. Like I said, my ideology is a mixture of everything because that's what works. Okay, just one straight ideology never works. Look at America, look at Russia. भाई दोनों ऑपोजिट स्पेक्ट्रम पे, कैपिटलिस्ट और दूसरी साइड में सोशलिस्ट इकोनॉमीज, दोनों नहीं चल रहे करेंटली. तो आई डोंट थिंक नन ऑफ दैट पीपल आर बोलते हैं ना हैप्पी. दे आर इंडोक्ट्रिनेटेड लाइक एनीथिंग. इवन वी आर, बट वो दैट्स अ टॉपिक फॉर अनदर वीडियो. बट या, डू नॉट थिंक, बोलते हैं ना, do not be afraid to think out of the box. You have one life, make the whole out of it. Okay, this has been your senpai with his once in a monthly at this point uh, ranting video. I try to make more of these or vlogs hopefully, but I'm more active on my gaming channel, so do check me out wahan pe. Yeah, I'll be back. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.